So how do we experience Waheguru in our life? When we say we have an experience of something, then what does experience actually means? So let's take an example. When I'm sitting inside the house and it is very, very windy outside of the house, and I can talk about wind, I can say that, oh, when I'll go out, this is how I will feel. But I will have the experience of the wind only if I step out of my house and if I feel that fast air on my face, and then I will realize, and that will be my actual experience. Inside the house, I can talk about it, I can think about it, but the actual experience is only when I am in the situation. So when I say that how can we experience Waheguru, that is the ultimate goal of life, experiencing Waheguru, and that happens only with Gurprasad. Like in Mool Mantra, Guru Nanak Dev Ji says that it is the Gurprasad that you realize your own inner self, that you realize the ultimate reality of life, that you experience the one Almighty God, the one universal consciousness. But Guruji also says that though it is Gurprasad, we have to make all our efforts first. Jinni, naam, dhayaya, gaye, Masakkat, ghaal. Like we have to do our Masakkat, we have to first do our hard work. We need to have the desire. We should be the seeker first, that we want to seek Waheguru. Like we have to do our Masakkat, our hard work. And what is that hard work? That hard work are all the teachings that Guruji has given us, like our code of conduct, our moral code of conduct, our outer code of conduct, and naam japna and bani and simran. When we do our hard work and with love and devotion, we cry for Waheguru and we want to seek Waheguru, then only we will be granted that blessing, and then only we will be given the Gurprasad. And that is what the ultimate goal of life is, and that is why we take this human form. But when we are doing this Masakkat Kalna, or doing our hard work in order to experience Waheguru, few things that we can do are naam japna, as Bhai Gurdas Ji has mentioned, that those who chant the name, those who remember Waheguru, ego starts reducing. And when we are in that stillness of the mind, when we don't have any thoughts and our mind is totally still, in that moment we can get an experience of Waheguru, though not permanent experience but few glimpses, though the ultimate realization is with Gurprasad, but few glimpses are also with Gurprasad when we put our efforts in. And then what else we can do to experience Waheguru? When we do langar seva, when we serve others, not only in the Gurdwara but around us, when we are serving people, we can feel and we can realize that Waheguru is present in them, and I am serving Waheguru in the other human form. That is what we can do to experience Waheguru. When Guruji says, Tu ghat antar, sarab nirantar, har eko purakh samana, like in each and everything, whether it be rocks, whether it be mountains, whether it be water or anything, you are the one who is existing, and this whole universe is your manifestation. So nothing is outside of you. Everything, our body, everything, even if we say the light bulb, yes, that is Waheguru, because Guruji says that is everything is Waheguru, and this world is a manifestation of Waheguru. So let's take an example. It's just so that we can understand it a little better. We have this beautiful sand castle, and in that sand castle we have beautiful doors made of sand, we have beautiful windows made of sand, we have a beautiful roof made of sand. And if somebody asks me, so where is the sand? I only see the door, a very finished beautiful door. That is what I see. I see a beautiful roof, and in that beautiful castle I see lot of fans, though all are made of sand. And if somebody asks, where is the sand? I don't see the sand. So we say that is made of sand. It is sand itself. That was just to give you an example. So right now we are not able to understand it because we haven't realized Waheguru. But once we experience Waheguru and it comes in our experience, then we will realize each and everything in this world is Waheguru. And right now, when we see at something, look at something, we admire something, then we can say that, wow, I'm looking at Waheguru. This whole universe is manifestation of Waheguru. Like when I'm at the beach or I'm looking at the mountains, and if inside my mind I visualize that this is Waheguru, then I will get that experience of Waheguru, and I will share with you just like 3-4 pictures. And then when we realize that we are in that place, then we will find out that, wow, this is wonderful. This is just beyond our imagination, and we get that feeling of Waheguru. So this was part 1 of the series that we did with the Khalsa school kids, where we discussed about the meaning of Waheguru and how we can actually experience Waheguru in our life. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.